So here's what the house looks like. And as you can see, it's unfinished. Has paint on it. And this is just old barn boards, so you can see like, so it has no paint on it. This one has previous paint on it. And some are even like that. And so I guess it's supposed to be the old rustic look, but it's not complete because I guess they're planning on capping that.
May I say hi too? May I say hi too?
Oh sure, if you want to be on it.
Hi.
See, there we go. So I took off most of the boards, which I will do these as well. And then we end up with something like that. They never bothered finishing it off, so the screws, you can see the screws, the corners, they're not taped out. I just started
Doing this with
mudding.
me?
There's windows are unfinished, no frames, no trim.
Nope, Tim.
And if you look at some plugs here, you know, that one I pushed in, it's not sticking out.
We can put the other ones in.
So I gotta do the corner here, all the way along. The seams and the corner itself came along, and I guess they left a hole for some reason. And we got another plug like that. They were trying to have those plugs sticking on top of the boards, but no, it wasn't working, so they were loose. And so there was no covers on it. Here's the corner part of the board, which I'll take off. All these boards, it needs taping. And it comes to another plug. The door, this is the door frame right here. No trim, some big hole, I'm not sure why. And you can see I took the door off, but the frame's still there. I'll put it back. This is central vac, so I gotta snug it in. The carpet, no trim, plug, no cover. Switch, it's high enough. They never bother putting a cover. Then we got more doors, you know, no trim. Attic, not a proper lid, just. And then we got the corners too, right?
Daddy, you know almost all you
So.
can